Hey fellas, that's mechanic mode here. This is the truck we're working on today, and of course there's a new type of videos for my YouTube channel. So far I never done this before, and of course here in the video you guys already see the mounts. First mount on the wall, I have no idea how that got in there. Probably that's coming from manufacturer, but I'm missing the main part that connects it to a TV. So I got this mount that's right now I shown in the video from a Walmart, or you can buy it anywhere on the internet. A new TV, it depends on what size you want. Here is going to be the first step. If you have the mount already into your truck and you can use it, then of course this is gonna be a very easy job for you. You just have to install the actual stand mount on TV and put it together, connect it together. So pretty much this is it. If not, then you're supposed to remove your original or old mount. This truck is used, so the ownership wanted a TV with the new mount and of course TV cable installed. So as you see, pretty much we're going on to removing the old, install a new one. Unfortunately, the new mount is a little bit longer than I needed, so I just went ahead and made an extra hole for the bolt for the lower side just to make sure it fits. It took me a minute to drill the new hole, nothing supernatural, just a regular drill on a bit. Of course, I used the original bolts from the old mount because I don't want to put anything longer than it is. That might damage the actual body of the truck. Shorter would not be able to hold the mount. So that was pretty much enough and it worked well for me. You might use the same old ones. Next step is going to be just like home, installing a TV on the wall. Of course, it's to install the actual TV on the mount. If you need extensions, use it. This mount is pretty wide. Did you see that square? And this TV, it's not too large, so it worked out well for me. I used the bolts that came up with the package for the mount. Adjust it, of course. Don't go too lower. Making sure you kind of flatten out the TV with the wall. This mount also it's adjustable and it's kind of flattened straight up with the wall, so that's really convenient for the driver. If you have a antenna installed on your truck, then find the wire and it's time to install it on your TV. I did use some tape to short out and attach it to the mount so it doesn't hang out. Last thing, just use a strap to buckle up the TV while you're driving, just safety purposes. That was a quick video how to install a TV on any sleeper truck, any trucks that are out there. That was mechanic mode. See you next time.